Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on a 1996 Dodge Ram 1500, and I want to show you how to replace the crank sensor. If you need this or any other part, check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay friends, so we've got a nice long extension, swivel, short extension, and then a swivel head 13. Makes a nice flimsy rig here. Hopefully this is going to make it so we can get down behind the firewall, up against the engine, onto our 13mm bolt, and then get our ratchet on here, take one out and then the other. That's our plan. Let's make it happen. Just find your tranny dipstick, follow it down by hand until you get to the shelf that you can feel the crank sensor sitting onto. Once you've made it down to that point, we're just going to try to get our 13mm on there, onto the bolt head. Come on, almost. Got it. There's our bolt. Bolt number 2, same as the first. Awesome. Okay. So now I'm just gonna grab our unit, slide it up and out of its hole that it's happy in. Okay, let's get this up and out of here. Now we can follow our cable. It should come over to the driver's side. And it's gonna plug in right back over here. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. There's a little thumb tab that you just kind of pull out of the way. And then this thing should separate. So you can see it right here. Let's see if I can get this out of the way. There we go. Okay, right here. Not much room to play with. Just pull on this little tab right there, and then you should be able to separate these two pieces generally. Here is our crank sensor, friends. Awesome. All right, it's time to get this 1A Auto sensor installed. I'm gonna come right through over here, top of the engine. I'm gonna go right down along the driver's side of the transmission dipstick and feel for the hole in the transmission. Once I find that, I'm gonna put the sensor in there. There we go. So that's going down in there. I'll try to start mounting this sensor. All right, I got one started. Just gonna bring that down. I'm not gonna tighten it, and I'm not gonna bottom it out yet because I need to be able to move the sensor around while I put in the other bolt. All right. So we've got both of these started in. And now I'm going to grab my tool and we're going to snug them right up. Start with whichever bolt makes you happy. Feels like it's getting close here. So once it stops, bottoms out, that's it right there. I'm just gonna give it just a teeny little tug after that, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go over to the other bolt. Just make sure that this is nice and snug. There we go. It's definitely tight. Awesome. So now that we've got it bolted in, I'm gonna take the cable right here. Okay, you can see the connector. I'm gonna make sure that I'm not wrapped around any of these spark plug wires. You don't want it wrapped around any spark plug wires. You don't want any electrical interference. Go right around the back side of the distributor cap, along the firewall, and then you can see it right down in there. You see it moving around? Hello. Now I'm gonna take our electrical connector from the vehicle wiring harness, and I'm gonna push it right in. If you have some dielectric grease and you wanna use that, feel free. Let's plug it in here. I'm gonna get my hand out of the way. Make sure it's clipped in, give it a nice little tug. There it is. It's definitely clicked in. It's pushed in as far as it's gonna wanna go. Let's see. Yeah, awesome. I'm just gonna take this, slide it back into where I got it from. Make sure that I didn't disturb any hoses. Everything's still connected. That's connected. This is connected. Awesome.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.